First 5 on UC.
Putik, nalipatan pa damit ko. Pantay.
And our official referee for tonight, Referee James and Referee Manuel. It's UC versus San Beda. First 5 on UC. Number 7, Rilosio, Alcantara, La Figuera, Magasibang, and small but terrible De La Cruz. First 5 on San Beda. Ancheta, Batulan, Montemayor, Del Rosario. Okay. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's red ball, red. First position of San Beda. Inbounding Del Rosario. Now Ancheta. Ancheta drives, escape, coast to coast. Oh! Alam mo ba Ancheta? It's 2-0 by San Beda. La Figuera. Looking for De La Cruz. Shot! Now Ancheta again, coast to coast, drive, left hand drive, goes shot. Now De La Cruz, oh, Del Rosario. Ancheta again. Bang! Basket count and one Ancheta. Foul on number 13 on UC. 4-0.
13 on UC. 13 on UC.
Shot.
Walang 13 sa UC.
23.
First on Magasip. Now 4-0. La Figuera. Too strong. Rebound on Montemayor. Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario. Looking for Montemayor. Scoop. Block. By La Figuera. Montemayor still. Montemayor. Oh! Ano mo ba Montemayor? It's 6-0. 6-0 run coming San Beda. De La Cruz. Looking for Ilosio. It's over the board, over the board. Now Ancheta, guarded 1-1 by De La Cruz. Ancheta looking for Del Rosario, Del Rosario. It's 14 to shoot. Too strong by below, Del Rosario. Now 8-0. It's an 8-0 run coming from San Beda.
Score, guys. Makasibang.
Oh, Magasibang. Now 3-8. Back to 5-point lead on San Beda. Ancheta again. Ancheta goes left-handed drive. Too strong. Rebound on Montemayor. Montemayor. Short. Now Alcantara. La Figuera. 1-1. Looking for Magasibang. Same shot. Magasibang in and out. Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario. 3-on-2. Montemayor. Yes on Montemayor. Now 10-3. 7-point lead on San Beda. Rilosio. Too strong. La Figuera. Ancheta. Yes, turnover on San Beda. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. All by San Beda. Now La Figuera. Rebound on Del Rosario. Il Rosario to Montemayor. Route turnover again on San Beda. It's 6 minutes and 20.
0 sulit.
Makasibang to La Peguera. Relucio. Scoop. Whoa! Relucio. Now 5-10. Ancheta. Montemayor. Side step. Drive. Looking for the outside. And too deep. What a great move from number 5 on Viloria. 12-5. It's 7-point lead on San Beda. La Peguera. Looking for Makasibang. Rebound on Viloria. Viloria to Ancheta. Ancheta again. It's 3-on-4. Ancheta drive. Ancheta to Di Rosario. Montemayor. Montemayor. Yeah, loose ball by Montemayor. It's 5 minutes and 28. Only 7-point lead on San Beda. De La Cruz. De La Cruz drive out. Turnover again on UC. It's their third turnover of the game for the first quarter. Ancheta. Batulan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Batulan. 18-5. It's 10-point lead on San Beda. La Peguera. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On La Peguera. Now Ancheta, foul. Foul on Relucio. Second team foul on UC. First against Relucio. Now Batulan making a move. Viloria. Drive. Viloria move. Too strong. Rebound on Makasibang. Now La Peguera. It's La Peguera time. La Peguera. Stop up. Looking for Makasibang. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Nothing but net. Ball Makasibang. 11-15. It's 4-point lead on San Beda. Ancheta drive. Blocked by Alcantara. Montemayor. Now 17 against 11. Now pass. Relucio. Turnover again. It's their fourth turnover on the first quarter of UC. Ancheta. Looking for Batulan. Steal. Now Makasibang to La Peguera. La Peguera cold. La Peguera drive. Pull out jump. La Peguera short. La Peguera again. La Peguera short again by La Peguera. La Peguera third time. Fourth time. La Peguera again block. Rebound on Viloria. Now Viloria to Di Rosario. 3 minutes. Nice move by Di Rosario. Time out on UC. It's 19-11. This time out is brought to you by Coro Sports, Basketballista, Delta, and Armos Fundamentals, Abu Dhabi. Our score, 19-11. Only 8-point lead on San Beda. Now Makasibang to La Peguera. La Peguera to Tabi. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on La Peguera. Now 19-14. It's 5-point lead on San Beda. Batulan. Too strong by Batulan. It's UC ball, UC. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Now De La Cruz. Short. Foul. Foul on La Peguera. Third team foul on UC. First on La Peguera. Ah!
Number 81.
Alon Alcantara. Warning for penalty on UC. First on Alcantara. 20 against 14. Now 21-14 back to 7-point lead on San Beda. 2 minutes. Too strong by rebound. Ancheta. Skip ball. Violation. It's skip ball. UC ball. UC. Nice defense on La Peguera. 1 minute and 42. Short. Rebound ng Magkasibang. Short agad ng Magkasibang. 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Magkasibang. It's 21 to 17 now. 4-point lead against San Beda.
Jumong na, Jumong.
Batulan. Ancheta. Pass to Del Rosario. Nice pass! Montemayor from Del Rosario. 55 seconds. Ilusyo. Nice pass outside. Too short. It's UC ball. 43 seconds.
Jumong, di ka pa na-shoot!
Warning for penalty on UC. 43 seconds. Inbound ni Alcantara. Ilusyo. Short. Magkasibang. Short again. Now Del Rosario. Carried by Ilusyo. Del Rosario light-handed to strong top. Rebound on San Beda. Batulan. Pass. Outside. Viloria. Block by Magkasibang. Now De La Cruz to short by Alcantara. La Peguera fake. La Peguera again short. La Peguera. Yes on La Peguera. 95 seconds. Basket count on Del Rosario. It's 25 against 19. End of our first quarter. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Nakatatlong triple si Magkasibang.
It's UC ball, UC.
Umangan, Carmona. What's the number of Carmona? 18.
Defense on San Beda.
Mabingnan.
Now Ibrahim. La Peguera. Cardi by Coho. Short. Top. Rebound. It's save ball. Now Regañon. Cardi by Coho. Steal by Coho.
Mabingan.
Too strong. Top.
26.
Foul on number 14
Del Rosario.
on Del Rosario. First against Del Rosario.
Vargas.
Two free throw shot against Vargas. It's San Beda ball, San Beda. Coho. Country pa rin ganyan. It's Carmona, down, short, La Figuera. Now La Figuera, drive, La Figuera. 21-25, it's 4-point lead on San Beda. Coho to Carmona. Looking to Coho. Too strong, top. Nice rebound on San Beda. Now Carmona, 10 to shoot. Bang! On Mabingay. 27-21. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Vargas. First on Vargas. First team foul San Beda is 27-21. Only 6-point lead on San Beda. Now 22-27. Only 5-point lead on San Beda. Now Coho, guarded by Regañon. Nice defense on Regañon. It's 8 minutes. Mangasibang. Rebound on Del Rosario. La Figuera. 1-1 by Coho. La Figuera. Bang! On La Figuera. It's 27-24. It's 3-point lead on San Beda. Carmona. Foul. Foul on Mangasibang. Time out on San Beda. This time out is brought to you by Core Sports. Basketballista, the Inkers Abu Dhabi and UC, University of Cebu. And we'd like to thank our referees, Referee Manuel and Referee James. Seven minutes and 30. Too strong by Carmona. It's violation on UC. Top. Now King James in the ballgame. King James. 1-1. Got Mayohina. King James. Not King James. Blocked by Coho. Now La Figuera. Bang! Oh, La Figuera. Now 27-26. It's 1-point lead on San Beda. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Regañon. First on Regañon, first team foul against UC. Nice move by David. Now 29 against 26. 3-point lead on San Beda. La Figuera. James. Foul. Foul on number 19. On Mabingay. Second team foul on San Beda. First on Mabingay.
Box out. Wala na, inuubo na.
Now 27-29. It's 3-point lead on San Beda. Now, Coho. Carmona, side step. Carmona scoop short. It's UC ball, UC.
Wala, tingnan mo. Bang, pero hindi lang. Kira matibay.
Makasibang.
Bang.
Too strong. It's San Beda ball, San Beda. 6 minutes and 14.
Pesto. Dito. Labas ka dyan, David. Patay.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Coho! 32 to 27. Bang!
Grabe mo na yan.
Foul on Vargas. 13 foul on San Beda. Second personal foul against Vargas. 2 free throw shot on Regañon.
Sa'yo na dito ang ring eh.
Short.
Ano ba yun? Lang naliga dito sa alita.
Di pa rin mo guys.
Nice shot by Regañon. It's 28 to 32. 4-point lead on San Beda. Magbingay. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Regañon. Second on Regañon. Second team foul against UC. Nice fake. Top. By Vargas. Top again by Carmona. Oh, Makasibang. Now La Peguera. 1-1. La Peguera to strong top. Regañon. Now Vargas. To Carmona. 1-1. Makasibang. Makap na is Carmona short. Top. Now James. It's James time. James drive, go to the top. Na magbingay. Carmona, Makasibang. Now Carmona, 1-1 by Di Rosario. Foul. Offensive foul on number 18 on Carmona. First on Carmona. Third on UC, warning on San Beda. Now Makasibang. La Peguera. La Peguera too deep, too strong. It's San Beda ball. San Beda 4 minutes and 23. Now Coho. By Di Rosario. Coho escape. Rebound. Top. Now James. James time. King James drive. Pass. Steal. La Peguera. Di Rosario. Regañon. Too strong by Regañon. Vargas. To Carmona. Coho. Now still on UC. Now James. 3-on-2. James first. Side step. Fake. Short. King James again. Foul. Foul on Vargas. Penalty, penalty. Third on Vargas. Pagkala magdala ka. Penalty, tie ref, penalty. 2 free throw shot coming from King James. Three minutes and 45 seconds. Still 32-28. Now 32-29. It's 3-point lead, San Beda. Ten to shoot. Vargas. Still on James.
Di kasi pinasa.
3 minutes and 40. Now Koho, 3 minutes. Too strong. Tap. David to Vargas. Yes, and selfish pass coming from David to Vargas. It's 34 to 29. La Federa skate. Carmona. Koho, one in by Rosario. Oh, that nice defense. Oh, foul. Foul on number 14 on Del Rosario. Warning for penalty on UC.
Del Rosario second.
Time out on UC.
Sabi niyo, magdala kayo andun no, sa loob. Ako na doon.
Ako na naman?
Ay, dito. Ay, dito. Pagbato. Ano?
May tissue dyan.
Tissue? Ayan. T-shirt, bago t-shirt.
Yeah.
Bago t-shirt.
Pwede ka rin araw-araw no, bagong t-shirt mo. Bago mo pamigay po. Deng bang! Tresyon!
Carmona. Black. Oh, Carmona. 36 to 29. Back to 7-point lead on Salvera. Del Rosario. Rebound on David. On Vargas. Go. Nice move to Carmona. Scoop. Yes on Carmona. 38-29. Makasibang. A foul. Foul on Makasibang. Now UC and 5 fouls on UC. It's 1 minute and 45 seconds. Carmona, one man, Medyo Rosario. Foul. Foul, offensive foul again on Carmona. Second personal foul on Carmona.
Ba't ganun?
La Peguera, Makasibang. Too deep. 1 minute and 25. Now 9-point lead on San Beda. Koho. In and out. James. To La Peguera. Nice move by La Peguera. Short up. La Peguera again. Again. To deep by La Peguera. 58 seconds.
Magbingay! Magbingay! Wala pa din.
It's UC ball. UC 48 seconds.
Segundo na lang, segundo.
Now Del Rosario. La Peguera 40 seconds. 38 seconds, 38.
Madulas yung bola.
Kodyo, last 2 ball possession na lang yan. Besto.
30 seconds. He's still on Del Rosario. It's 3-on-1. La Peguera. Yes, on La Figuera, it's 31 to 38, 20 seconds.
Last shot.
David. Oh, David. 10 seconds. It's 10 seconds, 10.
Kojo, last shot, Kojo.
Kojo.
10 seconds na lang.
10 seconds. Nine seconds, 9. Bang! 42 to 31. And now for second quarter our score, 42 against the 31.
Nice.
Sige, bigay.
Lalaro pa lang.
Hindi, second quarter, third quarter.
Kaya Lucio.
Hindi lang, si Ibrahim ang bibigay.
Sino?
Tanong mo si Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
Iwan ka din. Nagbigay na ko.
Ha? 100? Hindi, nagbigay na pala eh.
Saan ba yan? May jump ball kayo na.
100.
Third quarter. Now, Ancheta back to the ball game. Sunday, Domingo. Too strong. Now, Ancheta. Skate. Wow! What a move coming from Ancheta.
La Figuera.
In and out by La Figuera. King James. Relucio. Out to strong. Top by Makasibang. De La Cruz. Relucio again. Whoa! Relucio! 33-44. It's 11-point lead on San Mela. Ancheta, long two. Bang! On Ancheta.
May challenge yung dalawa. Touch kamay.
James. Foul. Foul on number 29 on San Beda.
29, Montemayor.
First on Montemayor. First team foul against San Beda.
Yes.
34-46. Now 35-46, 11-point lead on San Beda.
Okay lang, magaling sa free throw si Daddy James.
Yes, San Montemayor. 48-35. Now, De La Cruz.
Rep.
Ancheta is still on La Figuera. Now La Figuera, 1-1 by Ancheta La Figuera. Now 37-48, back to 11-point lead on San Mela.
Nice one.
Ow!
James. To Makasibang. La Peguera. Still by Del Rosario. It's James, intercepted by James. James. Complete steal by James. It's a ball, UC ball. 14 minutes sa clock.
Ano oras na ba?
Tinignan mo doon. Open league. Ba't pinatay? Ha?
Eh, 10:50 lang. At, hindi, 10:50 naman ang kwan. Daming alam din.
Short.
Si champion. Bilang the check.
James. It's 6 minutes and 50. Short by Montemayor.
Ako ko siyang pan.
Black.
Sabi mo sana 10-15, hindi 10. Ha?
10:50 naman sila kasi 11 na yung nauwi.
Hindi sipon.
Sino? Si Chawab?
5 minutes.
Alam na yun. Kasi may security naman.
Security nga bumuti eh.
Kasi bago yung security eh. Alam naman niya yung security.
It's
Sabihin ko.
Sabihin. Oh, ito po, pero laro.
nice block.
Pasapin mo.
Wow! Gumangan. It's 15:37. 13-point lead on San Beda.
Hindi rin ka magamit sa court. Oh, pwede. Ilan pa?
La Peguera.
Ano?
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, La Peguera. Now 52-40. It's 10-point lead San Beda. Nice move, Montemayor. Oh, Montemayor. 52-40. Back to 12-point lead San Beda. It's 4 minutes and 20. Montemayor. Magkasibang. James. 3-second violation. Sa dinusunod. James. Sub.
Nato na ko. Asa? Kaya ang ganun mo. Moto? Yawa, yun lang. Nawala niya ito. Kaya niya ito. Ugma. Niyatag ng huli na niya. Ugma na sad. Ugma na sad. 20. Look natin.
Cuyo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Cuyo na 55 to 40, 15-point lead. San Beda.
Ala, bakit?
Short tap. Now San Beda.
Bakit kaya ang lako nun? Ha? Hindi alam?
Ancheta pick. It's traveling violation on Ancheta. 2 minutes and 40. Magasibang Alcantara. Back to La Peguera. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, La Peguera. Now, Kojo. Nice move. Side step by Kojo to strong tap. Now, La Peguera. It's 2-2. La Peguera for the Rosario. Side step to La Peguera to strong tap. Now, foul. Foul on De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz, first team foul on UC. It's 2 minutes. $55 to 43. 12-point lead on San Beda. Bang! Basket count and 1 on De La Cruz. Foul on Alcantara, second team foul on UC.
Okay.
1 minute and 30.
Klaro tayo, abot.
14 to shoot.
Lapigira, lapigira. Boom!
10.
Short.
And short. It's UC ball, UC. 59 seconds. Alcantara. 10 to shoot.
Nice!
Yes, on Alcantara. Gumangan coast to coast, foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Bigyan ni rep, 2 free throw yan. Sub. 36 seconds, 36. Now 58 to 45. It's 13-point lead on San Beda.
Ay! Coast to coast!
Now 15 seconds. Third team foul on UC, third. Third personal foul on Riquelon. 59 to 45. $60 to 45. 15-point lead on San Beda. 10 seconds.
Bing.
And for third quarter score, it's 60-45 on San Beda. Fourth quarter ready left, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, fourth.
Apat na 3 points lang, regal nyo.
It's UC ball, UC.
Ang nanalo, bakit? Ang nanalo, ano mo sa iba? Hindi, sponsor ka ba? Ang nanalo, sponsor ka ba? Talaga.
Now, La Figuera.
May sinasay.
Too deep.
Ayan!
Short. Now, magbingay. Now, Kojo, side step, pass, nice pass to Gumangan. From Kojo, it's 62-45. 17-point lead on San Beda. Foul. Foul on number 19, now Magbingay. Second on Magbingay, first on San Beda. It's 62-45, 17-point lead on San Beda. Now, Regañon. 3-point shot. Too strong, too deep. Now, intercepted by Del Rosario. Del Rosario. In and out. Regañon. Bang! On Regañon. 64-45. It's 50. Now, Kojo. Bumangan. Pass outside. Go short. Now, King James. To Del Rosario. Still on Del Rosario. Now, Del Rosario. Looking for Regañon. Makasibang. In and out on Makasibang. Nice move by Gumangan. Goes. Nice move. Black. One nice tap. Makasibang. Tumakanan. 7 minutes. Magbingay. Too strong again. Too deep. Gumangan. Bang! On Gumangan.
Sab.
6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Usapin mo security, tapos 10-20. Usapin mo. You never paying after 10-20. You don't know?
Yes! Kaya mo yan!
Foul! So dito sa stop. Time out on UC. It's 47-65. After moment, 6 minutes and 38 seconds. Bigay, rep. Yeah.
Sige. Mamaya.
Now 48-65.
Sabi,
the owner of the school informed me, sabi, 10 o'clock daw.
you're paying here, we're renting here. Sabi mo, renting.
It's
It's okay, Coach. It's okay.
Regañon ball. It's UC.
Sabi mo, until 10-20.
10:50. No. Now only 10 o'clock. No.
Short.
10:20.
It's San Beda ball. San Beda. Gumangan, guarded by King James.
Pass 5 kayo.
Oh, yan na! Kaidol ko!
Regañon. Yes, on La Figuera. It's 50 to 65. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. $15-point lead on San Beda.
Oras, gamit oras. 4 minutes na lang eh. Balik! Okay.
Organization sa clock 14. Sabrang Sam.
Bigyan ng rep. Ay, tagal rep. Pag-practice yung pas-pas rep.
Black. Now La Figuera. 3 minutes. 40. Relosio. Yes, on Relosio. Bang. On Carmona. Bang. On La Figuera. 68-55. It's 13-point lead on San Beda. Two minutes and 54 seconds. Sub. 2 minutes.
Sabay.
Yeah, Jai.
Puro mataba yung paa.
Bang! Oh, La Figuera, it's 58 to 68. 10-point lead on UC. On San Beda. Now, Makasibang. Makasibang.
Nakapahinga yan.
Bang! Time out on San Beda. It's 61 against the 68. It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Sagot daw ni Kuya, sabi ni Kuya. Di ba Kuya sagot mo?
Only 7-point lead on San Beda. Ancheta. Bang on Ancheta. Nice move. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on Liganon. First team foul on UC. 1 minute and 31. It's 7 seconds, 7 to shoot. 1 minute and 21. 7 to shoot. Five.
5 to shoot. Tira.
It's UC ball. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Trap.
Ayan, pagin! Ay, takot na! Hindi na magpapatira!
14 to shoot.
May kiss.
Bang! Oh, La Figuera. 48 seconds. Carmona. Black foul. It's 37 seconds. 37.
Ano po na? Sinabi ko na nga 10:20. Oo na.
34 seconds.
Pinasarap lang. Nice.
30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. 36 seconds. All. 23 seconds, 22.
Oh, paulin nyo.
22 seconds, 22.
Pasok.
Pagod na sila, sigara ka 3 points.
Paulin nyo nang ma-penalty na.
Dali na.
Oh,
Bigarap.
Tagilid tayo dyan. Paula. Paula mo.
19 seconds, 19.
Papatay na yung gularo ko.
Paul.
Okay?
Ano oras?
Apat. Wala pa yung plus.